everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So these are few requested videos and I loved the way you guys have supported me. They were mostly requested videos. So if you really wanted to put some suggestions, any comments of what exactly you wanted to see in my channel, do comment me down and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more live updates. So that's a little bit of motivation that we as a YouTuber get from you guys, and I love putting up all your requests. Thank you, and keep watching. Stay tuned to my channel. Keep supporting me and loving me the way you guys have done this, because this would not have been possible without you guys support, love and comments. So stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you're watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to follow up my other videos, which you can always go to my video section and then probably check that out. So please do take a moment to check out my other videos just to get a little bit of view, just get a glimpse of what my channel is all about. Usually it is more about shopping reviews. Recently I shared a haul of Amazon.eco, which is Alexa. So that I purchased from Chroma, and I have already given a detailed a review of that gadget. So it's more about reviews, shopping hauls and lot of other stuffs, even DIY. So even after back to back I will be filming a video of a DIY for the dull skin during the winter. So stay tuned to my channel, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and all the handles will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out as well. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a sari haul. Now I have purchased few saris very recently, and I thought why not to share a review of it. Now as you all know from the background that I am in my hometown, I'm not in my Hyderabad, so please avoid such questions. I will very surely get you the room tour of, this is the room actually where I was raised from my 11th standard. So when I was in 11th standard, I kind of shifted to this flat, this complete apartment, and I will definitely share the video. Those who wanted to know from where I got these earrings, I have already made a video of my junk jewelries. So there also I have mentioned that from where I got this beautiful jhumki type of earrings, which is a kind of oxidized earrings. So do check out my other hauls of oxidized jewelry. You will definitely get to know from where I got them. And the lip shade that I am wearing today is Leon Beauty's matte liquid vivid. So this is the lip color that I am wearing today. And for the little eye makeup that I did it from Angel Rose 9 color eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette that I have used today, and I have particularly used this color, these two colors, to get this eye makeup look. So yes, without further ado, let's just quickly get into the main video. So I just got for myself 3 saris and 1 kurti. So these 3 saris I will first do a review. I got this from an online reseller, which is Tanya Kar. So I got it from her. I was watching random live on Facebook. She always does a live on Facebook, and she has amazing collections for sunglasses that are highly UV protected, and also some kurtis and some saris. So today I will have a sari ka haul, and I have ordered 2 kurtis from her. So I will make a separate video of that entire review of her kurtis collection. So I got only 3 saris from her. All 3 are, you can say, party wear, kind of a little bit hatke saris. Now I am a Bengali, that is for sure, but I do not like too much of typical Bengali saris. Rather I would love to have some kind of different saris, like little bit of ruffle sari, bandhani sari and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned to my video till the end to watch what are the 3 kind of different sarees that I got for myself, and stay tuned to my channel for the kurti haul. So the first sari is my favorite sari, which is a kind of ruffle sari. So all these were very properly packed. I'm so sorry for this plastic noise. So this is basically rose gold. So the body will be a rose gold, and as we open up at the border, we will have a mirror work like this. So the entire boundary will be of a mirror work. As soon as we move into the sari, now this is the blouse piece, this is running BP, and then when we open the sari, we will have a kind of ruffle going on. So I will show you how it is. So this entire body will be like this, and you can see there is a ruffle going on. So this is a kind of ruffle sari again. The blouse piece also has this mirror kind of work, which is somewhere like this. So this exactly, I'm sure I'm able to explain you. This is basically the so this is kind of the archel part, which is the flare part. The entire body is somewhere in black, and at the bottom you get a lot of ruffle. This is the BP with a mirror work. So yeah, that's how beautiful the ruffle work is. So I would like to draw attention towards this ruffle work. So this is a kind of ruffle work, and the entire sari is seriously very pretty. The quality is really nice. It is very soft, and at the same time this mirror work adds a cherry on the cake on the entire sari, which is something I love about this sari. And also it is very lightweighted. Now I'm a kind of person who do not wear a lot of saris, basically not a sari lover, but whenever it comes to a little bit occasion here and there, so I wear a little lightweighted sari, which is very easy to wear probably. So I think this is one of them, and I'm looking forward to wear this. If you really wanted to know how I look with this sari, do follow me on Instagram. My handles will be in the description box. So the next sari is again a party wear sari. So I will show you. It's a beautiful purple wine. So this is what exactly the color is. It's a beautiful purple wine, and when I open this entire pallu part has a beautiful stone detailing. So let me give you a very close pic. So it has a beautiful stone detailing, which is I don't think it will get off very easily, but this is the entire patta part, which is really pretty. And when I open the sari, in between the sari you get this kind of stone work. So this is also very lightweighted sari. Not the sari very difficult to carry, but you get a lot of such work within the saris. And also the pallu part will have this kind of detailing, and the achal part, which is the flare part, have a beautiful detailing like this. So this is what the detailing is. This is a beautiful detailing, and also at the end you will get such kind of pom-pom. So the previous ruffle sari was for 1050. This is for 1250, which is again something which I wanted for a very long time, because I love to wear the saris which are a little different, and also it has a blouse piece, so that will be intact. So I am looking forward to wear this. And yeah, I really love this sari because of this kind of intricate work going on with this sari, and specifically the color. Now this color is not something which is very common and easily available, or they can be seen everybody wearing. So I don't think everyone wear such colors. So that's the reason of my purchase as well. The last was Bandhani sari, which is also called Lahariya. So these kind of saris are typically found in Gujarat. They are the basic traditions of Gujarat, and they are a very simple chiffon. But when I tell chiffon, it's a good quality of chiffon. Usually you will say that chiffon saris are really affordable in Meesho. Yes, I did check in Meesho. They are like 500, 400, or probably 600, something like that. So yes, Meesho saris are very good, very affordable, but at the same time this is basically from Surat, because the tag which I get in this sari was written Surat, so it was something which was coming directly from Surat through any of the manufacturers or dealers, whatever it is. But this is a sari which is very pretty, and this is like Gujarat ka tradition. So this is a beautiful leheria. The entire work goes like this. It is called leheria because it have lot of portions of leher, which in Hindi means the waves kind of. So it has so many layers. So it's a beautiful chiffon sari, very soft, to be honest. So I can see she does a live, by the way, Tanya, and in her live, lot of people commenting that these sarees are merely for 500. Why are you selling this for 1000? So let me have a clarification on this, because when I get the sari, I did check in Meesho as well. Yes, they ranges from 400 to 500, but I did not check the quality. I did order from Meesho, and I'm yet to get those sarees. Whenever I get those sarees, I will definitely come up with that video as well, so that will give you a clear picture of what exactly the leheria, how exactly this leheria is different from the Meesho's ka leheria. So I am planning about that haul, so stay tuned. So these are the 3 sarees. This I got for like 1050 something. So these are the 3 pretty sarees that I got. So this one definitely I will be wearing in some official parties. That ruffle sari is again for Diwali or some occasions, and this is also something which is very easily wearable. So probably I will be wearing this. I'm so sorry for the noise. So I will be wearing this in a very short while. So stay tuned to my Instagram and Facebook. All the handles are in the description box. So that's pretty much for today's video. I am coming up back to back with a DIY of the winter, so stay tuned for that as well, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.